So here's how to change the rear brake rotors on a 2004 Ford F350 Dually. To remove the center caps, you can just use a bent screwdriver like this, or you can go buy the special tool. Then you need to remove the brake caliper and bracket assembly. Compress the caliper a little bit. Put some pressure on there. And use an 18mm to remove this top bolt, and there's one on the bottom. Once you have those bolts out, that'll come off. You can get a rope or a bungee cord and hang the caliper. Pretty light caliper. If you hang it off the brake line, it's probably gonna be okay. Then you remove these 15mm bolts and have a drain basin ready. These have blue Loctite on them. There's an O-ring on this, just so you know. So now the axle will come out. So now you need to remove the bearing retaining nut. You need this special tool to do that. I will have a link in the description to this. It just goes in like that. And these teeth grab the retainer. And that will come off. So then you got your outer bearing here. You don't want to let that fall out. And now this assembly will slide off of here. And just let that drain into the pan for a minute. Then you can see your e-brake assembly is here. The shoes on this one are completely gone. Got to replace the backing plate here. And you can see how the rotor bolts to that hub. So these are 15mm bolts holding the rotor to the hub. I would recommend an impact to remove these, otherwise put it in a vise. replace your grease seal, the races, and the bearings. I don't know if we're doing that. This isn't my truck.